Welcome back to the channel. So I'm here to show you guys my new boat that I bought for $50. It's a 26-foot Cruisers Incorporated cabin cruiser. It's pretty rough shape, but we are going to be rebuilding this boat, turning it into a beauty.
Six Whoppers for $12, something like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, say hi, Eddie.
Hey, what's up? All right.
All right, let's stick it in the water. So we got a little bit of rainwater in the bottom of the boat. So we're gonna pump it out. Yay, it's working.
Well, the pump is working.
Oh, look how nasty that water is coming out.
Well, not a good day for the day.
Right?
I emptied the cooler and the engine compartment.
The cooler is very important.
I guess that's what that is.
It's a big one too.
Yeah.
I can get some ice if I need.
Oh.
Pump man.
Oh.
Ah, the freaking hose came off.
What happened?
Oh,
the hose.
Duct tape's not holding.
Whoops.
Must be flame B. You weren't filming that, were you?
No.
Turn it off.
Okay. All right, so take two. We're pumping water. That's actually a really strong bilge pump.
Yeah, I've never used it before, actually. The woman that worked in the parts department gave it to me. She's like, I got this bilge pump. You need it? Like, I didn't really need it, but hell yeah, I'll take it.
One at the shop.
Yeah. She never worked in it.
I wonder how high they were letting the water get before they come over and pump it out.
This way you get an idea. Don't give me that thing.
All right.
I'll charge you for being on your website.
Right. Oh, it's warm in here. Oh look, there's a radio. Oh, it does have an air conditioner.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Fridge. It's your microwave, refrigerator, stove, sink. All the comforts of home.
Doesn't smell too moldy or anything in here. Yeah. Yeah, I better stop trying to open stuff like that. What? Don't tell me that.
You can edit this, right? So you don't have all the cuss words on your YouTube? You can edit all the cuss words out?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It just makes it more work, but...
Yeah, that dog's kind of shot in the ass. We ain't gonna step on that.
Alright guys, so we had to get the boat moved from that slip on over to the boat ramp because the boat did not come with a trailer. So I had to outsource somebody to move the boat for me from that boat ramp on over to Eddie's house. So that's what we're doing here. And obviously the boat doesn't run, so we're having to tow it with Donnie's little John boat.
See, if it had sails, you could probably sail over there. You got enough wind, so. But it doesn't. No, you guys had to go for the power boat. All right, somebody's got to get up on the bow to hook him up before you get going there. We're not hooked to a propulsion unit at this time. That's from being abandoned in a marina and banging up against the seawall for a couple years. Yeah. I was looking online, they're like $300 or $400 for a teepee. Yeah, that's what I'd do.
With a Hemi motor.
Yeah.
5-inch
Make it
pipes.
kind of classy, you know.
5-inch pipes coming out the back.
And we're recording. This is the official, let's see what the f happens here. So far so good.
So far it's moved.
So far nobody's hurt. It's moved about 4 feet in the slip. They're passing sticks around. Here goes nothing in a big way.
Alright.
We
good to go out? Pull it out? I can push it.
Walk around this way. Come out on this guy's little dock right here. This will be fun, folks. There's your $50 boat coming around the corner. I think that's going to be easier than you thought.
Well, pretty good.
First time out.
Throw the fishing poles out.
Yeah, right?
Give you a big scope for dinner tonight. Well, thank God we ain't got no wind to blow you all over the place. That's a good thing.
Yeah, it kind of takes the fun out of it, but I guess it's a good thing.
Yeah, if we could get about a 25-mile-an-hour wind, it'd be better. But I'm good though.
Yeah, Don, it's going to run you over. It's going to run you over, Don. I think you left it over on the creek. Let's get down here on a good vantage point off a real boat down here. You'll see that in a minute. Here they come. 100 miles an hour. There you go. Doing good. Until then. Don't hit this one.
This goes to Noah's Ark.
Sounds like it's got her going again. Alright. Alright, we're back with them. Gonna watch them come down around a channel here. Yeah. Yeah. What do you think? The wreck of the Hesperus. She's drifting, Don. You got her. You can come back this way. There you go. Because if it gives it too much gas, that transom will go right into the water and that boat will go to the bottom.
Yeah, I forgot what I did.
It's one of those type of things.
There ain't nothing holding on there with that chain.
That 10 and 1 screw.
It's in a current.
It's a bit of a current.
They're gonna get some current there.
Yeah, current's gonna take
The fucking boat's gonna swing all the way around backwards. Watch it.
You can see that.
I know.
Yeah. It's ripping.
What's gonna happen is the boat's gonna turn all the way around.
It probably will.
I know.
It probably will. It's gonna be funny though.
If he can't pull it in at a good speed.
Too bad I can't get up into the mangroves and watch that. That would be fun. That'd be spectacular, wouldn't it? Justin and Eddie. Captain's Calamity.
There you go. You're pretty good with that little thing.
Yeah. Harbor Master Don in his John boat.
You got lines long enough to throw us?
All right.
All right, guys, that was a little dicey, but we got it. We got the $50 project boat over here on the dock in preparation for towing it to Eddie's house. Here, Donnie. Okay.
We didn't hit anything expensive.
Right? You did good. You did awesome. Thank you so much. I can't believe it. All right, guys, so we finally got the boat moved over here to the boat launch dock.
Finally.
Yeah, it's gonna sit here overnight, and tomorrow morning,
You just sail up with the pond.
yep, tomorrow morning we're gonna load it onto a trailer and bring it over to Eddie's house, set it up on blocks, and then get to work. So we'll catch you guys in the AM. So the $50 boat is going to sit here overnight. Still can't believe that I got this boat for $50. I mean, sure, it needs a lot of work, but there's a lot of potential here. So this is gonna be my first boat. Hope I didn't get myself into too much trouble, but it'll be an experience, and I hope you guys stick around for the ride. Well, hold on. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.